What is up, everybody? This is another unboxing video, and today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the BenQ SW271 monitor. It's part of the SW series, which is geared towards photographers. Photographers care very much about color reproduction and accuracy. Let's get into the unboxing. This is a big box. Individual calibration report. Parts. Okay. Power cable, video cables, the hotkey puck, and I'll talk about this more in a little bit. Instructions, remember what happened last time we threw these out? More instructions I'm not gonna read. So this, you slide in on the top part. It has two HDMI, a display port, a USB Type-C, and two USB ports. Two downstream and one upstream. And of course your headphone jack. I like these kinds of mounts because there's just these two clips, and once you put them in there, it just locks into place, and voila. So this can tilt up and down, it can swivel on its base, and I believe this monitor can go up and down too. This is the hotkey puck, which allows you to control the different modes. It switches between Adobe RGB, sRGB, and monochrome mode, which is pretty cool. The BenQ SW271 monitor is a 4K HDR display. That means it can display native resolutions of 3840 pixels by 2160 pixels. It has a high dynamic range because it's a 14-bit display. In terms of the design, it's a nice stand. It's got this dark gray matte finish. It's a very minimal bezel design. You can see here, it's super tiny. Okay, so it's one thing to look at a monitor like this in the studio, but really I need to plug this thing in. I need to replace this BenQ SW271 monitor with the new 27-inch monitor. All right, so we're set up. Let me say a few things. One is, since this is the bigger, newer brother of the SW271 monitor, I expect it to perform in a very similar fashion. Here's some key things that I'm liking already. It's got a much longer neck so that I can align this to my monitor. Because it's a 27-inch monitor, it's the same size as my Mac display, so now I'm gonna get a lot more utility out of my second monitor, and I just really appreciating the design. The puck sits right in its little cradle. I feel like it's a nice addition to my desktop, and I will continue to use this for the foreseeable future. Thanks for watching the video. That's all I've got for you. Don't forget to hit comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.